to my channel. So here I am in my classic horizontal happy planner that I use as a journal. And I'll show you last week where I used the gorgeous florals from Colorful Florals, and it is Saturday morning and I still have yet to journal Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, some days I fell behind and that's totally okay. But I love the use of like the flower bunches with the washi. So I thought I would do something similar this week, but with sophisticated florals, these washi, and some of these tombos. Let's get started. All right, so I want to actually start using this book more, but it is a beautiful book and I haven't really done it justice. So I'm going to place the Full of Gratitude up here because I think it's really important to start the week off with gratitude. And I'm mixing it up a little bit. I'm going back to one of my very old and running out of this particular washi. So polka dots along with the grid. Then I'm going to place, ooh, itchy eye. I'm going to place, let's see, I like one of these, like important, reflect. So I'm going to put reflect here, and I love that color combination. So then for Tuesday, let's mix it up a bit and put down although I did see these with florals in them. I like the colors of the boxes though. The thing with this particular one is that these are so hard to capture. I think, yeah, a bit harder to capture on here. I think this one would go well with this washi. I love this washi from the Washi Tape Shop, but what gets me every single time is having to peel it open. There we go. I love that. I thought I was going to be using my tombos, but I don't think I actually am. And then go back to, I thought there were going to be like more words or text, but it really is to do today. I'm just going to put it today's, is that what I want to do? Put down a today's sticker. I feel like there's possibly another sticker that would work a lot better, like some type of quote or something. These were all, I say, taken from another sticker book that I only needed some parts of the sticker book, not the whole thing. I'm looking, and I think these might work actually. Like dream, vision, goal. I'm gonna put vision. Oh, I enjoy that very much. Okay, then I'm going to take one of these. It's maybe a, what color do I want? Let's go with this one. Come on. I'm actually going to flip it upside down because it doesn't, there's no set way that it has to go. So I'm going to combine it with this washi. I'm always afraid I'm going to tear this. Oh, I love that combination. So cute. And again, now it's finding the today, enjoy the little moments. Here we go. Let's do focus on again. Oh, I love that combination. Okay, for me, it's combining the three, the big sticker, the washi with the quote. I think the three just go really well together. And I love this gray one. I don't know what it is, but I love the gray. Whoops, that's not straight. Yeah, there's something about the gray that I really, really enjoy. It's calming and soothing and sophisticated as well. Now, there's a quote small enough to go in that. I may not be able to find it. I don't think there's small quotes in this one. I think all of the quotes in this one are big. So let's see. This is my year, vision. Give me one moment. I found this quote, the never stop youing, although now I feel like it's too big. Let's see. Yeah, I think, oh, this is the part, edit out. So I'll put this down. And then place the Never Stop Ewing right on top of it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so now let's move on to this side. I've got all of these like little bits of washi everywhere, and I actually don't remember where to put them all. Oh, there. Okay. Move that aside. Okay. I love using the full boxes. I do love using the full boxes. Maybe not this one yet. As gently as I can. Place this here. And you guys know I don't mind covering up the word for Friday. And I'm placing one of these on top. With one of those check-in stickers, or it's simple, so cute. And then I'm going to put this one down here. See, for me, the journaling spread is actually really easy because I go with the principle of creating little bunches or clusters of 3. And the clusters are all the same on each day. So you get the big sticker. For this particular spread, it's the big sticker, the washi, and the tiny little quote. So let's see if I can find one in here. Maybe it's time to shine. No. I don't want to use vision again. So let's go into these. Meantime. And then placing them, they don't all have to be placed exactly the same either. And I think that's the beauty of spreads like these, is that you can play around and it's the same 3 elements, and you can have a spread that looks completely different every single time. So let's do this. This one's going to be a bit different. I don't want to take up too much room, so I'm going to use this square. And let's pull out the washi. Like that, maybe? Okay. Then a little quote. Again, this book doesn't have a ton, so let's go into the Joann's. Don't like working from too many sticker books, but sometimes, yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna pick this one, although the color scheme doesn't match exactly. Love Yourself. Okay. Oh, too many washi bits. So then, there we go. So then, lastly, I'm going to decorate this bottom part here. This doesn't go with this. This goes here. This is the time that I can use a big quote. So let's do Bloom with Grace would be hard. This Let Go and Grow, like where would I put that? If I, okay. So I'm gonna just do probably the Enjoy the Little Moments and then decorate around it. Enjoy the little moments. And then decorate around that. So actually put this floral here on this side. Sometimes I debate, well, the thing is, this floral is right side up this way. And I don't really want to put it upside down. So let's find a different floral, because there's a few in here that I could use. Okay. There we go. And adding, of course, the washi. And then I think I will be all done. I think the thing that took the longest in this spread is taking the backing off of that other washi. And I'm going to add one more thing. This is the part where I break my rule of clusters of 3. I'm going to put a little to-do sticker. Oh, okay. I enjoy that very, very much. All right. I enjoy decorating my journal spread because it's the one where I feel like I don't have to stick to a certain functionality This is more about creating and making it look pretty versus actual, I need boxes here because it's at 6 o'clock. Do you know what I mean? So this for me is like my fun project of the week. I'm not saying that the rest of them aren't fun. This one is just, it's creating on a different level than planning out my other spreads. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.